Hello! In this video, I will show you some steps you can take to make your Word documents more accessible. Before uploading any Word document to your course or sending one out via email, you should take some steps to make sure that the Word document is readable by screen readers, such as Ally, which you have access, as your students do, through Brightspace. The focus of this video is adding alternative text to any image you upload to your Word document. Alternative text, or alt text, is simply a description of the image you've uploaded to your document. What alt text allows for is any screen reader or perhaps a student who's having internet issues and the image is not loading for them. It allows either student to get an understanding of what's being depicted in the image. The way you add alternative text to an image is first finding that image within your document, right-clicking on it, and clicking View Alt Text. This will open up a window on the right-hand side of your document where it will give a brief description of what you should write about in your alt text. It should be about 1 to 2 detailed sentences about the image. So in this case, this is an illustration of the 3rd floor Hunter College bridge above Lexington Avenue. With that text set describing what the image is here, you can click this X and make sure you save your document to save those changes. Now, when any student using a screen reader or cannot load this image, they will get an understanding of what this image is.